Carscenekorea, baby. If you're not here, you're not here. That's where it's at.
Going.
I get to be in a first video and it's my first night out.
See, the thing is,
I
last minute put it because I didn't think anybody would go out, so I was like, hey,
right.
anybody. And
You know, I only saw it the very last minute.
It's not even an event, it's like a last minute thing.
It was like, let's roll in a little bit late. And so that's when you texted me like, hey, I do want to come. I'm going to show up, but it's going to be a little late. It's like, it kind of worked out because...
Hey, that's amazing. I mean, me being a late comer, I don't want to hold you guys back. So let's move over. I mean, we got all night, but still, you know, getting a little late. So
my wife said I'm good to go.
okay. We're at Washholic. Just I showed up very last minute, so I'm just gonna really quickly brush through. I got a key to this monster. It's a red key. Probably that does the, I don't know, to be honest. But I got the honor of starting this monster. Let's fire up. Put the AC on first, like so. And let's go. No way, it's my first time ever in SRTs.
Press, look in the middle console.
Yep.
See where it says SRT?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead and press it.
What, just one time like that?
Alright, so right now it's set at 500 horses.
Okay.
Press track or sport.
500 horse over there.
No, press track or sport up at the top.
Track or sport, okay, track. This red key is the thing that does the full potential thing, right?
Yeah. This is
red and black?
That black one's my other car.
Oh, okay. I love this doggy right here too. Damn, 700 to the wheels. That's crazy. That's even more than double what my car does. Carscenekorea, baby. If you're not